Wacky lunch for my husband. So you guys remember how I told you that vlogmas was gonna be our last vlog? Well, I lied. I lied. I decided to do a little Christmas, no, New Year's Eve vlog. So I'm gonna take you guys around so you guys can see all the stuff that we're gonna shop for the New Year's. We are going to the Caribbeans. Just kidding. We're gonna bring the Caribbeans to us, and we're gonna do like Puerto Rico, Cuban, and the Dominican Republic. That's where we're gonna do like dishes of those type of dishes. And we're on a hunt because we can't find the ingredients. So today, my lovely husband's gonna help me find all the ingredients. Huh, husband? Plus, we have a lot of other things to do before the year is over. All right, so we're looking for stuff to make arroz con gandules, and then I'm going to make, I didn't want to make the whole lechon because it was like a short notice, so I couldn't look for the lechon. Plus, I was kind of scared of cooking a baby pig. Hi. So we're gonna make like a pork shoulder, a pork leg, chicharron, a little banoffee recipe, let me tell you. But anyways, let's go and look for the stuff. We so far have the gandules. Yes, I know it's Goya. It's really hard for me to find any other type of brand, okay? So far we have found everything. Our options are little. I'm gonna get some jasmine rice because we want our arroz con gandules to be not any type. We're gonna get the premium jasmine rice, and then we're gonna go check out the frozen section just to see if they have more stuff. So this is our other option. They already have the yuca. It's already like frozen. I think my sister had to get hers here. She's doing Dominican Republic. But I want to see if they have like frozen culantro or something so I can make my own sofrito because I don't buy it. But I low-key think I'm gonna make it by myself. I don't know. We'll figure that out right now.
Is that it?
Oh! They have sofrito. Can I open it? So I can see what it looks like.
Oh, don't do that.
They used to make like beef empanadas.
I want to tell you.
You want to carry me? Hold on, Mama wants to open this. It's sealed. I just want to see the color. I want to see what it looks like. I want to see if it looks real, if it looks fake. Like,
And it has a plastic foil on it.
I know, I can see it. Oh. I'm just gonna get it because I'm gonna trust it. What do you think?
I don't know what
Should we
that
trust
is.
it? I mean, why would it come frozen? It's from Latin America. I'm gonna trust it. So I'm gonna take it. So the other thing was actual beef empanadas. That would have been so dumb. So we need the actual discs to make the empanadas. And again, I'm struggling really hard to find Latin American ingredients to make this. I know you guys are gonna come at me because of Goya, but like I said, this is literally all we have here. I live in Visalia. My town is little. What do you want? Now we have to go find plátanos, see if we can find actual plátanos. Not bananas, plátanos. Verdes. To fry them. Typical. Joseph fell asleep. Jose is over there making a friend because she was like, don't hit my car. I've only had it for 2 years. So now they're like conversating away. He's like, no, I'm not gonna hit your car. But anyways, I low-key regret not getting everything at Vallarta's. I just have like this mentality that I need to like fix. I always buy certain things at certain stores, but sometimes it's very convenient just to buy everything at one store, especially right now that tomorrow is el día del de la velada, you know, so people are everywhere shopping. I should have got everything at Vallarta's, and I had like girl, you got no room to or no time to be running around from store to store. So now I'm at Winco, and I just came to Winco yesterday. But anyways, Joseph fell asleep, so now Jose has to carry him. And look at my lashes. They're looking Felique still. So I have a trivia question for you. Do you know what my favorite pasta is?
Yeah.
Which one?
The store brand.
Penne. You know, penne?
Oh my god.
Wait. Look at the size of these plantains here at Winco. We couldn't find them at Vallarta's, and they have them at Winco. They do. They didn't have them at Vallarta's. Anyways, I'm trying to get pasta because I'm making my brother and his coworkers pasta for, what do you call it?
Hanukkah?
New Year's Eve?
Oh yeah.
For New Year's Eve. So they're gonna get birria lasagna, and they're gonna get chicken poblano penne. So that's how we're here. Do we need penne? I don't know what pasta to use. Should I just do like a spaghetti? Like a fettuccine? Like what are you doing?
You're asking the wrong person. I don't know nothing about that stuff.
What would you prefer to eat at a potluck at your work? If someone took like an easy pasta that you can just pick with your fork, or
Pizza.
Spaghetti? Oh my god, that is so whack. Okay, if you had two options,
Probably just pizza.
pizza not being one of your options, spaghetti, linguine, or penne, that's three.
Pizza.
I don't linguine?
Pizza.
Help me.
Let's go get some pizza. Oh shit, there is pizza.
Guys, so when it comes down to food, Jose is El Wacko.
No, just pizza. Oh my god. Did you seriously just...
Well,
There's a guy over there.
pizza and hamburgers. Pizza and cheeseburger with one pack.
No.
Because I don't like
Just-
to open my mouth like this. Can I just have a regular hamburger without having so much stuff on it?
Pizza.
Because I can't open my mouth.
Pizza. Pizza. Let's go. Let's go.
Now we're gonna donate some things before the year's over. Damn, there's a big old line of people donating stuff. The last time that we came here, our truck messed up. But anyways. Okay guys, we finished shopping. I wanted to show you guys a big old leg that I got. I got like a massive leg. And we're gonna make we're gonna roast this, make it nice and crispy. Then we're gonna make the lasagna for my brother. But anyways, we got everything. I'm gonna help my husband. I usually never help with the groceries, but I'm feeling a little naughty today, so I'm gonna help him. Yeah, right, just don't want him breaking my lasagna. My husband, how are you? He has a headache.
28 pounds.
Apparently, I got a 28-pound leg. Jose, he wants one. All right, guys. So here we have our pork. We're gonna prep it, get it marinated for tomorrow. I'm also gonna get the birria started. I have a lot of things to do right now, but if you guys come back tomorrow for New Year's Eve vlog, then you guys can see if it came out or not, because this is going to be my first time making this, so I don't really know if it's going to come out the way it's supposed to. So wish me luck. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, follow me on everything, hit the notification bell, and that is it, guys. Bye.